Now look at my favorite tool of all time, revolve. I always like circular things, and revolve helps you do like circular 3D, curvaceous things. Let's just say that. So right now I'm viewing normal to my front plane because that's where I want to draw my sketch. So let's start a new sketch, and that's on the front plane. So this time I want to use the line tool. This time I'm not doing like a circle or a rectangle. I want to use a line so that I can create something cool. So I'll start from the center and just start building a profile of whatever I want to revolve. So when doing the revolve command kind of functionality, you need to think, you need to take whatever object you're making and then slice it, which is not an easy thing to do. You need to slice it, take like a slice of it, and then with that slice, that's what you will use to create the cross section. So this is like a slice of whatever I need to do. So if I wanted to do a bit of constraint, so I say vertical, if I don't feel this line is vertical enough, or maybe that one, and if I feel there's a line that is not horizontal enough, I can come here and just put that constraint to be sure. I also want to put some dimensions here. So let's say I want some 45 millimeters. So this is my cross section. Once I'm satisfied with my cross section, I will accept and then come to the revolve tool. So as you can see, you can either do a new, add, remove, or intersect. So for now we're doing new ones just because we are kind of starting out. So for the faces, we're going to select that, and then the axis of revolving, that will be like the point at which this revolution will happen. And then you also need to select whether it's a full revolve, one direction, symmetric, or in two directions. So for example, maybe I try something, the full revolve form a full circle. So let's try a one direction one, and then select that, and then see what happens, just for you to see. Are you seeing that it's only 30 degrees, and you can see this is 30 degrees. So for one direction you can put 30, you can put 180 is usually very common. So for 180, as you can see, it's like halfway. The revolution is halfway. You can see that. So hypothetically, if you wanted it to be a full revolution, so we're going to come here and say we just want a full revolution. So that's it. Make it full, and as you can see, there we are. It looks like the tip of a pen or something interesting like that. Which, if you had to do layer by layer, imagine how many layers you'd have had to do, and trying to do like a chamfer and set an angle, it would have taken you quite a while. In this, you can do it in like it's taken us less than a minute, I guess, without me explaining away a lot of things. So that is how you use the revolve tool, and when we get to designing actual objects, you'll see how it's applied in real life. So looking forward. See you in the next tutorial.